Before we get started with this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one. If you want to purchase the full version of this class, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next video. Hi everyone and welcome back again. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about physical description, which in Italian is descrizione fisica. Descrizione fisica. So let's start. How do we say I am tall? The way to say I am tall in Italian is sono alto. Sono alto. What about I am short? I am short in Italian is sono basso. Sono basso. I have straight hair. In Italian is ho I capelli lisci. Ho I capelli lisci. Let's say it again. Ho I capelli lisci. Ho I capelli lisci. I have curly hair. Is I miei capelli sono ricci. I miei capelli sono ricci. I miei capelli sono ricci. How do we say I have big eyes? I have big eyes in Italian is ho gli occhi grandi. Ho gli occhi grandi. Ho gli occhi grandi. Now try to say it. What about I have small eyes? Ho gli occhi piccoli. Ho gli occhi piccoli. Can you say it? Let's try it again. Ho gli occhi piccoli. You are handsome. In Italian is sei bello. Sei bello. That is if you are a male. If you are a female, you have to use another word. That's only used for men. If you want to compliment a girl, you have to use another word. For example, if you want to say you are pretty, you have to say sei bella. Sei bella. What about you're cute? Sei molto carina. Sei molto carina. So, that was all. See you in the next class. Thank you. Arrivederci.